Justice, justice. We want justice. Justice, justice. And probability. And probability. No namaste. No namaste. No namaste. Dito, General Secretary do, alang di pantamay dito, labang so, student demonstration ano.
Can I start? Today, we, the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference, APHLC, have organized this protest demonstration here at Guru Samson Singh Di Memorial Park, Difu, to protest against the police brutality on Mrs. Moriam Rongpipi, her husband, and other suspects. We have been informed that the OC of Semelangso police station have mercilessly said that Mrs. Moriam Rongpipi should be undressed and should be beaten badly. And as we have already seen, Mrs. Rongpipi have been beaten very badly, and right now she is admitted in Difu Medical College. This is a prima facie case. We have seen the scars on her body. So right now, we the APHLC, we demand that the OC of Semelangso police station should be suspended immediately, and there should be an independent inquiry against him. And also, Mrs. Rongpipi, her husband and other suspects were beaten here at Dokmoka police station. So there should be an inquiry, and we have been informed that one of the police from Dokmoka police station is also involved in beating Mrs. Rongpipi, her husband, and other suspects. And we have also been informed that electric shock was given to Kanya Tokbi, and other suspects. So right now, the APHLC strongly demand there should be an immediate inquiry, and the culprit police from Dokmoka police station who is involved in assaulting Mrs. Rongpipi, Kanya Tokbi, and other suspects, after inquiry, they should be released or they should be expelled from the Assam police. We don't want to see such police. We don't want to see such person in the Assam police. We don't want to see such brutality in our society. So, Semelangso OC and the police from Dokmoka police station, all the culprits involved in this very case, they are ashamed. We are ashamed to have such police in our society. And few days ago, we have seen that the Assam Chief Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he have said in public that the newly recruited police, they should follow the ethics of the police. They should give service to the poor people. They should be helpful to the poor people, and they should be the friend of the poor people. This is very good. We agree with the Chief Minister, but just only a few days after the Chief Minister's statement, we have seen this brutality in our society. So we are very hopeful that the Chief Minister of Assam will come forward and he will take action against those culprits from Semelangso police station, Dokmoka police station, and various others. We are very hopeful. And right now, in this very moment, I just want to question Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, the Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We have already seen, this is a prima facie case. We have seen the scars on the body of Mrs. Rongpipi. There is a very definite assault on Mrs. Rongpipi, but Mr. Tuliram Rohan, the chief executive member, is still silent on this very case. Why is he silent? He is the chief of Karbi Anglong. He is the leader of Karbi Anglong. So any kind of injustice that is happening in our society, he should be the first one to come forward and stand for our people, stand for the victim. But where is he now? We have not seen any kind of statement from his side. Not any kind of statement. So we are very hopeful that the chief executive member, Mr. Tuliram Rohan, will come forward and stand on behalf of the victim, Mrs. Rongpipi, her husband Kanya Tokbi, and others. And also, right now in this moment, we demand the immediate release of the teacher, Mr. Kolita. Whoever is involved in kidnapping Mr. Kolita should be ashamed of it. He is a teacher. He is a teacher, he is a helper of a society, so there is no point why he should be kidnapped. And at this moment, I also would like to mention that the police from Semelangso have said that the Karbi society is involved. The Karbi society is involved in eating the meat of Aphn. We have been informed that. And then again, in this very case, the Karbi society is involved in eating the meat of Mr. Kolita. One of the police have said this in front of Mrs. Rongpipi. So we condemn the concerned police who have given this statement. This is very communal. This is very hurting. It hurts the sentiments of the Karbi people. The Assam society already know that such injustices, such brutality, such mob lynching is happening in our Assam society. This is happening all over Assam, not only in Karbi Anglong. The culprit have no color, the culprit have no society, the culprit have no religion, the culprit have no jati. That concerned police station should be informed. He should know it. And I request the entire society of Assam to condemn such statement. This is very hurting. So today we, the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference, have organized this dharna at Drew Samson Singh Memorial Park to protest against the brutality of Assam police on Mrs. Rongpipi, her husband, and other suspects. We also demand the immediate release of teacher Mr. Kolita, and we also condemn that very police who have said that the Karbi society is involved in eating the meat of Aphn and Mr. Kolita. You cannot blame the whole society just because of one mob lynching. You cannot blame the whole Karbi society. Neither we cannot blame the whole Assamese society for the act in Jorhat or various other districts. We did not blame the whole Assamese society. We did not do it.